The Jet JWS-35X heavy-duty shaper is built on an all-steel base cabinet. All of the necessary controls are on the front of the cabinet, and there's a large door on the side that gives you access to the motor and belt tensioning system. Notice the window on the door that lets you look inside and see where the belt is on the step pulleys so you know what speed the shaper is running at. A step pulley system is used to generate the 4 different speeds that the shaper runs at. To change the belt from one step to another, you just release the belt tension with this lever. It has an adjuster right here should the belt ever stretch. And when you're done, flip the tension back on and it's ready to go. Just inside the cabinet near the top of the door is this knurled handle. That's a spindle lock, and you pull it out and give it a quarter of a turn to lock or unlock the spindle. The Jet JWS-35X comes with an 1.25 inch diameter spindle, where you can also get the 3/4 inch diameter spindle as we have installed here. Each spindle is 4 inches tall below the nut and comes with a set of spacers for putting in whatever size cutter you may have. The opening in the table without the inserts is 7.25 inches in diameter. That lets you use some of the biggest cutters in the business. They also include this cast iron set of inserts that size that hole down to 2 5/8 inches or 4 7/8 inches. The 4-inch capacity of the spindle lets you stack cutters that are designed for that type of use. The spindle also has a full 4 inches of travel up and down. Each half of the fence face is 4 inches tall and 16 inches long. Each of the faces have T-shaped grooves that lets you use bolts to attach shop-made faces or jigs. At the center of the fence are 2 covers. This cast iron top cover is adjustable front to back with these knobs, and a clear plastic front cover that gives you a good view of the bit and what's going on there is adjustable up and down with these knobs, and it's also adjusted front to back by sliding the top cover. This is the starter pin that Jet includes with the shaper. It's heavy duty and it can be installed to the right or left of the cutter. Most of the controls for the fence are on its back side. This knob here, and there's one on either side, locks the fence face in position. On the outfeed side only is this adjustment that moves the fence forward and back for joining operations. Loosen the locking knob, you can turn this knob to move the fence in and out, and watch this scale to see how much of a change you're making. When you're satisfied, lock the knob down and it's ready for joining operations. For moving the fence forward and back over the bit, we loosen these knobs, move the fence to the position wanted, and then tighten them down. The cast iron housing that supports the fence is swept back to direct the debris to this 4-inch diameter dust port. You notice the tabs welded inside that help break up the larger clumps of debris that a shaper can make. If you want a shaper, take a hard look at the Jet JWS-35X industrial shaper. It's very well built, has lots of user-friendly features, and all of the capacity you'll need for even the big jobs. If you like power, accuracy, and durability, the Jet JWS-35X is a must-see.